there be online classes. So students, today I am here with a new chapter, that is your division. So student, division means what? Division is your repeated subtraction. Like you in multiplication, we are adding a numbers, repeatedly adding a numbers, repeatedly adding the same numbers. मल्टीप्लिकेशन में क्या होता था, हम एडिशन करते थे. एंड इन योर डिवीजन इज द ऑपोजिट, रिवर्स फॉर्म ऑफ व्हाट, रिवर्स फॉर्म ऑफ योर मल्टीप्लिकेशन. तो वहाँ पे हम एडिशन कर रहे थे, तो डिवीजन में क्या होता है, रिपीटेडली सब्ट्रैक्शन होता है. जैसे कि इफ यू हैव 10 divided by 2, okay, so 10 divided by 2 means what? You have to subtract the number, subtract this number 10 by 2, okay, till you get the 0. जब कितना टाइम तक तुम्हें सब्ट्रैक्ट करते रहना है, तुम्हें 0 जब तक नहीं मिलेगा उतना टाइम तक तुम्हें सब्ट्रैक्ट करते जाना है. Then how many steps, in how many steps you get the 0, that is the your answer. जितना स्टेप्स तुम्हारा बनता है, जितने स्टेप्स में तुम उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लोगे वो होगा तुम्हारा क्या, जितना स्टेप, जितना नंबर सब स्टेप्स होगा वो होगा तुम्हारा आंसर. ओके, सो 10 minus 2 is your 8. This is your first step. Next is the second step. We subtract 8 by 2. हमें एक ही नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट, एक ही नंबर से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. नेक्स्ट 8 minus 2 6. Come to the step 3. 6 minus 2 4. Next step 4 minus 2 2. Next step 4. So step 5 4. 2 minus 2 is your 0. Okay, at last we get a 0. यहाँ पर देखो हमको क्या मिला, लास्ट में हमें 0 मिला. So this subtraction is complete in 5 steps. So your answer is 5. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Okay, this is your subtraction method. Subtraction method में हम क्या करते हैं, steps wise हम subtract करते हैं. And this one is called your what, dividend. This is your divisor, and this one is your what, quotient. The result of division is called your quotient. Okay, so students, whenever there are some facts about division, or we can say the property or nature of division. First property is what, when a number is divided by itself. When a number is divided by itself, the answer is 1. Okay? जब हम कोई नंबर को 1 से डिवाइड, सॉरी उसी नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं, 5 डिवाइडेड बाय 5, अगर हम इसको 5 by 5 करेंगे, so by subtraction method we check this 5 minus 5. इसको हम इससे माइनस करेंगे ना 0. देखो हमारा एक ही स्टेप में ये कंप्लीट हो गया. So get the answer 1. Okay, when we divide number by itself we get the answer 1. Okay, next property is when a number is divided by 1. When a number is divided by 1, the answer is the number itself. Next is your, when we divided a number by 1. 10 15 divided by 1. Okay, sorry, taking short number. 3 divided by 1. 3 divided by 1. Next step 1. In your step 1, 3 minus 1 is your 2. Come to the step 3. Sorry, step 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Next come to the step 3. 1 minus 1 is your 1. So here your answer is what? This subtraction is, sorry, 0. This subtraction is completing in 3 steps. So your answer is 3. तो यहाँ पर देखो जो नंबर को हम डिवाइड किए कौन से वो क्या हुआ, वही नंबर ही आया तुम्हारे आंसर में। So we say that when a number is divided by 1, the answer is the number itself. Next property is what? When 0 is divided by any number, the answer is 0. Okay? When a number is divided by 0. When 0 is divided by any number, the answer is 0. When 0 is divided by any number, this is here 0, 0 is divided by any number, the answer is 0 itself. तो 0 को हम किसी नंबर से भी डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते। ओके, नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज व्हाट? वी कैन नॉट डिवाइड एनी नंबर बाय 0. दैट मीन्स व्हाट? If you are dividing 5, 6 divided by 0, then come to the step 1. 6 minus 0, 6 and 0 minus करेंगे तो क्या होगा? 6 ही होगा। जितना भी स्टेप में तुम करोगे वो तुम्हारा 6 ही होगा, वही नंबर आएगा कि नहीं? माइनस करोगे तो तुम्हारा क्या होगा? नहीं होगा। So we cannot divide any number by 0. हम किसी भी नंबर को 0 से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते। ओके, नेक्स्ट ओके, तो हम अगर हम 60 डिवाइडेड बाय 0 करेंगे तो क्या होगा? 0 का टेबल हमारे पास है क्या? नहीं है। जो नंबर का टेबल होता है उसी नंबर से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं। 1 का भी टेबल है कि नहीं? तो देखो, जिस नंबर का टेबल होता है उसी नंबर से हम डिवाइड कर सकते हैं। तो हम कह सकते हैं कि 0 से कोई भी नंबर को हम 0 से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते। ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, इन डिवीजन वी हैव 4 थिंग्स. फर्स्ट वन इज योर dividend, second one is your divisor, third one is your quotient, and fourth one is your remainder. So students, you already learned about the division of division by one digit number. one digit से तुम one digit divisor से तुम नंबर्स को डिवीजन करना ऑलरेडी क्लास 3 में पढ़ चुके हो। तो देखो, हम कुछ नंबर्स करते हैं, जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल 16 divided by 4. Okay, 16 divided by 4. Now write this like this. Now read the table 4. हमें क्या करना है? हमें टेबल 4 का टेबल हमें पढ़ना है। So read the table 4. 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 4 3 जा 12, 4 4 जा 16. So students, get the 16. 2 4 4 जा 16. ओके, 4 4 जा 16 मिला नहीं, तो हम क्या करेंगे? ये जो 4 है इसको यहाँ पे लिखेंगे। ये जो तुम्हारा 16 आया यहाँ नीचे। ओके, नाउ सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस नंबर। 6 minus 6 is 0, 1 minus 1 0. Now your answer is what? 4. Okay, so this is your what? Divisor. What we call it? Divisor. And this number is called your dividend. Okay, now this number is your quotient. And this one is called our remainder. After subtracting, how much number you have in the below, that is your remainder. अगर तुम्हारा 0 है तो भी रिमाइंडर होगा, अगर 0 नहीं है कुछ नंबर्स रह रहे हैं तो भी तुम्हारा रिमाइंडर होगा। ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, इन division we have 4 things. One is your divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. Okay, Okay, so students, we know that how to divide a number by one digit divisor. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the division by two digit divisor. When you have two digit divisor, then how can you divide a number? Today we are going to learn. Okay, so students, if we have a number 324 divided by your 12. Okay, 324 divided by 12. So here your divisor is 2 digit. Okay, now write this like this, right? 12. Okay, now here look at the divisor. How many digits are there in a divisor? 2 digits. Now take 2 digits from your dividend. Okay, तुम्हें क्या करना है? 2 डिजिट तुम्हें कंसीडर करना है. अगर तुम्हारे यहाँ पर 4 डिजिट है तो यहाँ पर तुम्हें 2 डिजिट कंसीडर करना है. अगर तुम्हारा ये now check this among these two which one is larger? Your dividend is larger here 32. अगर तुम्हारा ये dividend is less than your divisor, then take another digit from your dividend. अगर तुम्हारा ये डिवाइजर जो तुम कंसिडर कर रहे हो 2 डिजिट ले रहे, ये अगर तुम्हारा 11 होता, ओके, अगर 11 होता तो देखो ये 12 से ये छोटा है डिजिट, तो हम क्या करेंगे 3 डिजिट कंसिडर करेंगे. बट हियर 32 is larger than 12. Okay, now read the table of 12. If you don't know the table of 12, let's multiply 12 with your first digit of your dividend. 12 multiplied by 3. 3 2 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3. Here we get 36, which is more than 32. So we are not taking this 36. ये जो है 36 जो है 32 से बड़ा है, तो हम इसको नहीं लेंगे. Now multiply 12 with 2. तो हम इससे छोटा वाला नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 2 2 जा 4, 2 1 जा 2. Okay, this is your 24. Now take this number 12 2 जा 24. Okay, now subtract this 32 minus 24. 12 minus 4 is your 8, and here 2 minus 2 is your 0. Next, the another number from below. Okay, so it will become 84. Now multiply 12 with 8. 12 into 8 will get 8 2 ja 16. 1 is carry over to next place. 8 1 ja 8 and 1 is your 9. This one also more than 84, so we are not taking this number. Okay, now multiply a smaller number then 8. 7 2 ja 40. 1 remain. 7 1 ja 7 and 1 8. So here we get 84. 84 मिला. हमें इक्वल नंबर लेना है या फिर उससे छोटा नंबर लेना है, उससे बड़ा नंबर लेना नहीं. So 12 7 जा your 84. Okay, now subtract this. 4 minus 4 is your 0. 8 minus 8 is your 0. So students, here your quotient is 27 and your remainder is 0. So in this way you can easily divide a number by 2 digit divisor. Okay, students, next is your relation between multiplication and division. In addition and subtraction has also a relation between them, like that multiplication and division also has a relation. Okay, so that relation is dividend is equal to quotient multiplied by divisor plus your remainder. Okay, so this is the relation between division and multiplication. So here these all the words are coming from your division, but here the operation is on multiplication. तो देखो ये सारे जो वर्ड्स जो है हमें कहाँ से मिला है? डिवीजन से मिला है, बट यहाँ पर कौन सा ऑपरेशन हुआ? मल्टीप्लिकेशन हुआ, और नहीं? So this is the relation between multiplication and division. Okay, so why this is coming? ये क्यों आया है? देखो जब तुम अगर डिवीजन कर रहे हो, अगर तुम्हें डाउट हुआ कि तुम्हारा डिवीजन मिस्टेक है, ओके मिस्टेक है, अगर डाउट हो रहा है, मिस्टेक नहीं हुआ बट तुम्हें लग रहा है कि मिस्टेक हुआ है क्या, सो फॉर दैट यू चेक योर आंसर बाय क्वोशिएंट डिवाइजर रिमाइंडर जो रहेगा उससे अगर तुम क्वोशिएंट डिवाइड मल्टीप्लाई बाय डिवाइजर प्लस रिमाइंडर करो तो तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन रहेगा डिविडेंड जो रहेगा वो तुम्हारा आ जाएगा। अगर तुम्हारा डिविडेंड इक्वल है तो क्या हो जाएगा? तुम्हारा आंसर ठीक है। ओके, सो लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल। ओके, लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल फ्रॉम योर बुक। 832 divided by 832 divided by 32. Here your question is 832 divided by 32. Now divide this 832 divided by 32. Now first thing is what? We consider 2 digits here because here your divisor is also 2 digits. Now multiply 32 with how much? 32 with 4. No, 3. Okay. 3 2 ja 6. 3 3 ja 9. But this one is 96 is larger than 83. So we are not considering this number. Now again multiply 32 by 2. 2 2 ja 4. 3 2 ja 6. But this one is smaller than 83. So we are considering this number 32 to 64. Okay. Next divide this. Sorry. Subtract this. 13 minus 4 is your 9. Next here 7. 7 minus 6 is your 1. Next another number comes down. Then 92. 192. Okay. Now multiply 32 with multiply 32 with 6. Okay. 6 2 ja 12. 12. Next 6 3 ja 18 and 1 is 92. So here write 6 and here 192. Okay. Now subtract this. 2 minus 2 0. 9 minus 9 0. 1 minus 1 0. So here quotient is 26, divisor is 32 and remainder is 0 and dividend is 832. Now check this division by this formula. If we multiply quotient and divisor and add remainder, then we will get this number. If we did not get this number, then our division process is wrong. Okay. Next, let's do it. Dividend is equal to, so your quotient is here 26 multiplied by divisor is 32 plus remainder is 0. And here 0. Let's multiply 26 by 32. So first take the first digit. 2 6 are 12. 1 is remain. 2 2 are 4 and 1 5. Next multiply. Cross it. Cross one's place. Next 3 6 are 18. 1 remain. 3 2 are 6 and 1 7. Okay. Now add this 2. 8 and 5 13. 1 is carry over here. 7 and 1 8. Okay. So here your answer is 832. Plus 0 we add 0 with any number, we will get the number itself. 832. Okay, so look here. This is your 832. And here your dividend also 832. So from this we conclude that this division process is, in this division process there is no mistake. Okay. Okay students, now we are taking another example having your remainder something. Okay, so we are taking 415 divided by 24. Okay, now take 415 divided by 24. Now take 2 digits here, 2 digits, so you consider 2 digits from your dividend. Okay, now multiply 24 by 3. No, 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Here it is 48, which is more than 41. So we are taking 24 multiplied by 1. यहाँ पर 2 लिए तो ज़्यादा हो गया तो क्या है 1 मिलेंगे. So 24 1 है your 24. Okay. Now subtract this 11. 11 minus 4 is your 7. Okay. And 3 minus 2 is your 1. Now 5 will come down here. 175. Now multiply 24 with 5. 5 4s are 20. 2 is remain. 5 2s are 10 and 2 12. Okay. This is more smaller. We are taking another number 80. 8 2s are, sorry, 8 4s are 32. 8. Okay, multiply here 7. Okay. 7 4s are 28. 2 is remain. Okay, 2 is remain. Next 7 2s are 14. 14 and 2 your 16. This is suitable for you this number, and this one is smaller than this one. So we are taking this number 24 multiplied by 7, 168. Okay, now subtract this. 15 minus 8 is your 7. Here 6. 6 minus 6 is your 0. And 1 minus 1 is also 0. Now check this division by this formula. So here your quotient is 17 multiplied by divisor is 24, and the last one remainder. Here the remainder is 7. Okay. Now multiply 17 over by 24. 4 7 are 28. 2 is remain. 4 1 are 4 and 2 6. 2 7 are 14. 1 is remain. 2 1 are 2 and, sorry, 2 1 are 2 and 1 3. Okay. 8 6 and 4 10. 1 is carry over here. 3 and 1 4. Okay, so we get 408 plus 7. Okay, now add this number with 408. 7 and 8 is your 50. Okay, one is remain. Come to next 0 and 1 1. Now 4 is 4. So here your answer is 450, which is equal to this number 450. So this process, this division is also correct. Okay. So while you have third think that your division is wrong, then you check out the division by this formula. Okay. Okay students, so open your book, page number 66. Your exercise number what? 5.1. Okay. So here your one number is there. Find the quotient. क्या करना है इसमें तुम्हें? Quotient find out करना है by your division. This is your division of any number by one digit divisor. इसमें one digit divisor दिया गया है, so you can easily do it. Next come to the number 2. Find the quotient. Write the remainder if any. Okay. So this one also your division. इसमें भी तुम्हें क्या करना है? डिवाइड ही करना है और उसका क्या करना है? क्वेश्चन फाइंड आउट करना है. If they have any remainder, then write their remainder. Next come to the number 3. Solve the following word problems. इसमें कुछ word problems है. So we'll take doing your number 3, 5.1, 3 number. A. Look at the question. Devina wants to split a collection of coins into group of 9. देवीना के पास कुछ कॉइन्स है. How many coins? She has 36 coins. उसके पास कितने कॉइन्स है? टोटल 36 coins. तो उसको क्या करना चाहती थी? उसको 9 ग्रुप्स बनाना चाहती थी. तो उसके पास एक ग्रुप में कितना कॉइन होगा? How many groups will be? Sorry. हाँ, एक ग्रुप में वो 9 कॉइन्स रखना चाहती थी. तो अगर एक ग्रुप में वो 9 कॉइन्स रखेगी अलग अलग करके सेपरेट करके, देन हाउ मेनी ग्रुप्स विल बी क्रिएटेड? सो हाँ, कितने नंबर्स ऑफ ग्रुप्स इसमें क्रिएटेड होगा आउट ऑफ 36 कॉइन्स? सो हियर वी आर डिवाइडिंग दिस कॉइन्स, सो we'll do division here. So first write to split a collection of coins into groups of 9. In a one group, number of coins is equal to 9. एक ग्रुप में तुम्हारे कितने कॉइन्स रहेंगे? 9. And she has coins is equal to 36 and the total coins is 36. Now divide 36 divided by what? 9. Now read the table 9. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 3, sorry 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 32, sorry 36, 9 5 ja 45, 9 6 ja 54, 9 7 ja how much? 63, 9 8 ja your 72 and 9 ja sorry yes. So in your 9 4 I will get 36. So we write here 4 and we write here 36. 6 minus 6 0 and 3 minus 3 0. So here your answer is 4. So we can write there. Hence 4 groups will be created. Okay, so this is your final answer. So students, by reading all the questions from your number 3, read the question and try to understand the question solve a question on your book. Okay, next come to the another exercise, that is your exercise 5.2. Here look at the number 1, find the quotient and remainder. Here your dividend is 450 divided by 10 and divisor is 10. So here you divide the number on your copy, then write the quotient here and the remainder here. ओके, तो तुम्हें क्या करना है, सिंपली तुम्हें डिवाइड करना है, जैसे अभी मैं बताई इसे डिवाइड करना है और तुम्हें क्या करना है, उसका क्वोशिएंट और रिमाइंडर को लिखना है ये बॉक्स में. नेक्स्ट कम टू द नंबर 2, सॉल्व द गिवन प्रॉब्लम्स इन योर नोटबुक एंड फाइंड द क्वोशिएंट. सो हियर द डिवीजन इज by 2-digit divisor. Here your divisor is 2 digit. तो यहाँ पर तुम्हें क्या करना है, नोटबुक में कॉपी में तुम्हें ये नंबर सॉल्व करना है. नेक्स्ट कम टू द नंबर 3, फाइंड द क्वोशिएंट एंड द रिमाइंडर. इसमें क्या करना है, इसमें भी 2 डिजिट है, इसको भी डिवाइड करना है और अगर उसका रिमाइंडर रहा तो उसके रिमाइंडर और क्वोशिएंट को फाइंड आउट करना है. नेक्स्ट कम टू द नंबर 4, हैव यू बीन वेरीफाइंग योर आंसर बाय मल्टीप्लिकेशन. इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट दैट यू वेरीफाई योर आंसर, परफॉर्म द फॉलोइंग डिवीजन एक्सरसाइज एंड वेरीफाई योर आंसर. इसमें क्या करना है, पहले तुमको डिवाइड करना है और जो तुम्हारा मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन का जो रिलेशन है, जो फॉर्मूला है, डिविडेंड इज इक्वल टू क्वोशिएंट मल्टीप्लाइड बाय डिवाइजर प्लस रिमाइंडर. डिवीजन करोगे, उसके बाद वेरीफाई करके तुम्हें दिखाना है कि ये सही है. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट इज योर अबाउट वर्ड प्रॉब्लम. ओके, सो रीड ऑल द क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम योर बुक. ओके, नाउ आई एम डूइंग 1 number. ओके, सो 1 number question is what? Raman is inviting 8 friends to a party. रमन क्या किया, उसके 8 फ्रेंड्स को पार्टी में इनवाइट किया था. He has 512 टॉफीज. उसके पास कितने टॉफीज थे, 512 टॉफीज. How many toffees will each friend get? तो उसके एक फ्रेंड को कितना टॉफीज मिलेगा. So we simply divide here. Okay, so this is your exercise 5.2 number 5m. Here your question is, Raman is inviting 8 friends to a party. Raman is inviting 8 friends to a party. Okay, now he has how many toffees? He has 512 what? Toffees. Okay, now divide this 512 by 8. 512 by 8. So we are taking 2 digits here. 8 5s are your how much? 40 and 8 6s are your 56. So we are taking 8 7s are 56. 8 6s are your 48. Okay, so 11 minus 8 is your how much? 3. Okay, next 4 minus 4 0. 8 4 ja 32. So each friends will get 64 toffees. Okay, or also you can write will get 64 toffees. Okay, students. So in this way, you solve the questions from your 5 number. Okay. Okay, students. Next is your unitary method. So unitary method means what? The method of finding the value of one thing to find out the value of many things is called your unitary method. When you know the value of one thing, means if your one pen cost is your ₹10. ओके, तो यहाँ पर एक पेन का हमें कॉस्ट मालूम हुआ, एक पेन का कॉस्ट हमें मालूम हुआ। तो देखो, अगर हमें 5 पेन्स का कॉस्ट जानना है, कॉस्ट ऑफ 5 पेन्स, बाय द हेल्प ऑफ दिस वन टू गेट द कॉस्ट ऑफ 5 पेन्स, हमें क्या होगा, ये एक पेन के कॉस्ट के हेल्प से हमें 5 पेन का कॉस्ट हमें मालूम होगा by multiplying them, by multiplying the cost of one pen with the number of pen. Okay, if you multiply 10 by 5 we get 50. So the cost of 5 pens is your 50 rupees. So when you are going to find out the cost of many things, then you simply multiply the number of things with the cost of one thing. Okay, whenever you have cost of many things and the number of things, तुम्हारे पास अगर ये रहा cost of 5 pens is equal to 50 rupees, ये तुम्हारा रहा number of things and the cost of the many things। यहाँ पर अगर तुम्हारा ये रहा तो तुम्हें क्या करना है, to find out the cost of one thing। When you are asked by to find out the cost of one thing, you divide the numbers, but when you are asked by that to find out the cost of many things, then you multiply the number of things with the cost of one thing। Okay, so यहाँ पर देखते हैं हम क्या करेंगे, cost of one thing हमें find out करना है। So cost of one pen is equal to what? Total cost divided by number of things. Here number of things is 5, so we are dividing 5 here. We divide 50 by 5 and you get 10. So here your answer is 10. We in first line you already written that the cost of one pen is 10. तो देखो ये ऑपोजिट हुआ कि नहीं। अगर हमारे पास एक चीज का प्राइस मालूम रहेगा, हमें एक चीज का प्राइस मालूम रहेगा, अगर तुम्हें बहुत सारा उसी चीज का प्राइस तुम्हें जानना है तो तुम क्या करोगे, मल्टीप्लाई करोगे जितना नंबर से तुम्हारे पास आइटम रहेगा, ओके, उसके साथ एक आइटम का कॉस्ट जितना होगा उसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करोगे। अगर तुम्हारे पास बहुत सारे आइटम का टोटल कॉस्ट है और तुम्हारा नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स तुम्हें मालूम है, कितना आइटम्स है, 5 आइटम्स है, 10 आइटम्स है, या फिर जितना है, तो अगर तुम्हें 1 आइटम का तुम्हें कॉस्ट मालूम करना रहेगा तो तुम क्या करोगे, सिंपली डिवाइड करोगे विद द टोटल कॉस्ट बाय योर नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स। सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज योर यूनिटरी मेथड। ओके, नाउ आई विल सॉल्व फ्रॉम सम क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम योर एक्सरसाइज 5.3। Okay, so let's come to your exercise 5.3. Okay, we are taking your one number. Exercise 5.3. Here, one number is what? A CD cost is 250 rupees. rupees 250. So we have here the cost of one CD. We know the cost of one thing here. When you have the cost of one thing, then if you are asked to find out the cost of many things, then you multiply. Okay, then find the cost of 3 such CDs. So cost of 3 CDs is equal to what? What will we do? We multiply the number of CDs with the cost of one CD or the cost of one CD with the number of CD. So here the cost of one CD is 250 rupees and the number of CDs is here 3. Okay, now multiply this. 3 zeros are 0, 3 5s are 15, 1 is remain, 3 2s are 6 and 1 is your 7. So the cost of 3 CDs is here 750. Okay, so this is one type. Okay, next come to the another type. Okay, so going to another type here. Your 10 number. Come to your 10 number. Where your 10 number is 20 radio sets cost 80,000 rupees. Okay, so 20 radio set. 20 radio का cost कितना है? 80,000 rupees. Find the cost of one radio set. So here 20 radio set cost is equal to your rupees 80,000. So here the sets of radio is how much? 20 and the cost of 20 radios is your 80,000. So here we are going to find out the cost of one radio set. So I already told you that when you are going to find out the one thing from the many things, so at the time you divide the number. So cost of one radio set, cost of here the cost of one radio set is equal to 80,000 divided by 20. Now divide this 18,000 by 20. So if you take 2 digits from this, so it will become smaller than 20. So we consider 3 digits here. Okay, that is your 180. Now multiply 20 with your 9. 9 zeros are 0, 9 twos are your 80. So we get 180. 20 9 are your 180. This is 0, 0, 0. Now 1 0 in come here. This 20 zeros are 0. It will become 0 again. Now this 0 will come down. 20 zeros are 0. Okay. So your final answer is what? Rupees 900. So cost of one radio set is your 900. So students, with this exercise, your chapter number 5, that is your division, is over. I hope you all do all the exercise on your notebook. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.